Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing how to wake up early in the morning. Are you tired of hitting snooze repeatedly and struggling to start your day on time? Well, you've come to the right place. Here are some tips that will help you wake up early and start your day on the right foot. Step 1. Establish a sleep schedule. The first step towards waking up early is to establish a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This will help regulate your body's internal clock and make it easier to wake up in the morning. Step 2. Create a bedtime routine. A bedtime routine can also help signal to your body that it's time to sleep. This routine can include things like taking a warm shower, reading a book, or meditating. By doing the same things before bed every night, you'll train your brain to recognize when it's time to wind down and go to sleep. Step 3. Avoid electronics before bed. Electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops emit blue light, which can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Try to avoid using electronics for at least an hour before bed to help your body wind down and prepare for sleep. Step 4. Create the right environment for sleep. Your sleep environment can also play a role in how well you sleep. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and at a comfortable temperature. Investing in a comfortable mattress and pillows can also improve your quality of sleep. Step 5. Wake up with natural light. Exposure to natural light in the morning can help regulate your body's internal clock and make it easier to wake up. Open your curtains or blinds to let in natural light, or consider investing in a light therapy alarm clock that mimics the sunrise. So, there you have it, 5 tips to help you wake up early and start your day on the right foot. Remember to establish a consistent sleep schedule, create a bedtime routine, avoid electronics before bed, create the right sleep environment, and wake up with natural light. With a little effort and patience, you'll be waking up early and feeling refreshed in no time. Thanks for watching.